Everyone, welcome. It's your boy, Jack64, and I'm here with another round video. And today, I'm just gonna switch my look. Oh, who's here? Different daily dentist, but there doesn't seem to be anybody here. I can see out right now, anyway. Where are they? Oh, wait. Hold on, just okay. I don't know. Wait. Oh, hi. And are Ruby even there? I don't know, but we're gonna go check for him since we're gonna be on the wiki anyway. Ruby. Oh wait, we need to go to AJPW item worth wiki. There we go. Clear wild item worth wiki. Here we go. Let's go see. Oh yeah, I think they are there. Yes and no. Well, yes, they are there. Ruby, Erin, are there. Wait, why? Ooh. I'm gonna add those to my list because they look pretty cool. One safari, here we go, safari. Wait, what just happened? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god, this just happened a minute ago, kitty. This is like annoying. It's annoying when it's... Woo, goodbye. No, goodbye. No, I don't care about my bookmark. Sue. No. Oh my god. Okay, that's how you think, I guess, kids. Anyway, today we're going to be going on to the Amazon wiki. I mean, stay wild. Wiki. Ooh, and, oh no, wait, we were actually going on to the Amazon wiki. Here we go. And now we're going to go to Wild West Underwear. Now we're going to look at all this stuff. For HQ artists, I've got Taylor Moore. An animator until 2009 when he became the lead. Wait, started working at Wild West in 2007 as an animator until 2009 when he became the lead artist for character design. Because working on myself, I don't even have a job, I'm like only 10 years old. Anyway, she creates the 3D models for the animals and pets into the wild, as well as all the models for the coaching and death tag. Wow, it's next level. Before his work on Amazon, Peter also worked on some of World's previous games, including 3P flying game. Interesting. Mac McCann. Hi, thumbs up to you as well. So he started working as an intern in February 2008. 3 months later, he got a job as an animator for Wild Works by September 2010. He promoted to be the lead animator for Wild Works. Wow. Ooh, huge. Scary picture. Why is it all grey? What did they do? They illustrated the book Pirate and Phoebe. Did they actually? Ooh, God. Make his own website. But he also illustrated some Amazon books, pretty cool. Carrie Ann Coffee Hutchinson, okay. Jenna Kemper, okay. What about? Oh, they did the other two books. The other two Amazon books, cool. Hold on. Fernando. He's an illustrator and cartoonist who writes and draws for Archie Comics. He was the fourth and illustrator of Amazon Theme series of 4 books. Published through Dynamite Entertainment. Pretty cool. Anyway, next up will be ajhq Orphan. So I'm actually kind of interested in this one. Alex Popper. Right, what do they do? Science adventure. Cool! And they wrote that. Cool. And he wrote. Oh, look at all these different books. They're not even all amateur themed. Anyone. Cool. Oh, this is the author of the Phantom Cool. Ellis Bird. He wrote all those 3 books. Oh my god. No. Oh wait, we've already checked him out. Whatever. Catherine Knoll. Wait, I'm almost 100% positive that I have. Oh wait, I have that one, I think. And he wrote it. Cool. Congrats, Catherine Knoll, on making it onto the list. It's a hit key staff members. Yeah, on this one we're just gonna look at Clark Stacy. I think we've already looked at everybody else. Look at this. Clark Stacy. And lead designer for Beyond Games for 8 years. And that basically helped create multiple base games for the PC, PlayStation 2. Whoa, cool. Then, wait, I have PlayStation 2. And it makes some games really cool. It's like my code. So I have some kind of PlayStation. He remained active there until 2009. Then everybody knows what he did next, because he's the best. He's the founder of Amjam and the co-founder of Wild West, the developer of Amjam. Well, anyway, now we're going to move on to mobile games. Oh wait, this is just showing all the mobile games, okay, nobody cares. Hit here. And finally, we're going to go on to merchandise. Oh wait, this is just showing out. So if you'd like more on this, all you need to do is search up Amazon Wiki, go into the AJ category, and into Wild West number. So yeah, if you'd like more on this, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going in the next one. Peace out.